I'm Angela Giles in Austin, Texas with Blue Note Bakery, and this is how you make whipped icing for birthday cake. The materials you'll need are egg whites, granulated sugar, butter, that's shortening, powdered sugar, and vanilla. The first step, dissolve the sugar in the egg whites over a double boiler, over medium heat. You don't want to heat it up too much or you can scramble your egg whites. You dissolve that until there are no grains of sugar left. The next step is you take the egg whites and the sugar mixture, put it in a mixing bowl and whip till medium stiff peaks and cooled. You put the butter and the powdered sugar in the bowl. Then cream it till smooth and there are no lumps of butter left. Slowly add in shortening. The next step, you slowly add in the butter and sugar mixture to the egg whites. And finally, you add in your vanilla for flavor. And that creates the buttercream. I'm Angela Giles in Austin, Texas with Blue Note Bakery, and that's how you make whipped icing for birthday cake.